So Mark, we've got two citrus here. We've got a Eureka lemon and we've got a navel orange. So
yep.
Fruit trees are often grafted onto a stronger, more disease-resistant rootstock.
Yep.
But some of the grafts can be a little bit wild. So it's really important to make sure you get the straightest graft you can to make sure the tree is much stronger. Like, as you can see with your one.
Yeah, it's bent right in, like it's crooked as an old dog's leg.
That will still produce and it'll still be a great tree. But if you do need to choose between this one and this one, definitely get the straighter graft because you'll get a stronger tree.
So we're going to plant this into the ground. What are we going to look for now?
Well, because the root system of the graft is so vigorous, sometimes they can be pot bound, which basically means the root system has grown so crazy it's gone around and around the pot because it can't escape. But these ones don't look too bad. But if it is pot bound, you tease them out with your fingers like this, nice and gentle, just so they're nice and hairy. And if they are really bad, you can cut the whole sort of bottom quarter off the whole of the potting mix. So once it's all teased out, we place him in his hole.
So we've dug a hole that is the same depth as the height of the stem of the plant when it was originally in the pot. We don't want to bury it and bury its neck up to the top there, otherwise it could get some rot around the stem and we don't want that. So bury it, it's important to bury it at the same level as the soil. So we might have to put a little bit of extra soil in the base and then measure it down. That should be ground level and now we can backfill.
When you're backfilling, you don't want to compact the soil by jumping on it because that'll just basically make it like it's in a pot again and become pot bound. So just nice firm push down. Another thing you can do, if you have excess soil, you can make a little ring around the tree so that it can retain water just to get it a good start.
And then the last thing we do, of course, is water that plant in, maybe a bit of seaweed liquid fertilizer. And this other one we'll plant somewhere else because, like Ben said, it'll still work, it'll still grow. It just might not be as vigorous or as strong as one that's got a better graft.